I'm Kirsten with Plaid, and we are here today to talk all about FolkArt Home Decor Chalk paint. It's my all-time favorite paint. We are going to show you everything you need to know, from tips, techniques, introduce you to all the great products so that your furniture and home decor pieces will be a perfect success. Chalk paint comes in so many beautiful colors, everything from pastels to primaries to the perfect home decor color. And it also comes in several different sizes, whether you're doing a big piece of furniture or just a great small home decor accent piece. The greatest thing about FolkArt Chalk paint is it dries to an ultra matte finish. It's non-toxic, it's acrylic-based, and it dries in minutes. With the FolkArt Chalk paint is the greatest set of brushes. You've got brushes that hold the perfect amount of paint to complete your project. You also have a brush that applies the wax finish at the end beautifully and smooth. Using the chalk paint, you're always going to want sandpaper because one of the greatest things about the product is it sands to a perfect distressed finish. And another thing is this layering block is the perfect tool to create that farmhouse finish on all of your projects. People ask me all the time how many projects they can paint with this 8-ounce bottle of home decor chalk paint. And I actually have a story. I painted 6 dining room chairs and the hutch at my home with this one bottle of paint. And I still have some of the paint left. The coverage is perfect and you can paint so much with 8 ounces of paint. The reason home decor chalk paint is the perfect paint for furniture and any home decor project is you don't have to prime or sand or strip with harsh chemicals any of your surfaces. The paint self-levels, so it will cover any dings or marks in the furniture, and it will cover up any brush strokes that were there before. All you have to do is make sure it's clean and dry, and the paint is perfect for any surface. It works on wood, it works on tin, it works on glass, and even on ceramics. Thanks, guys. I hope you paint so many things with FolkArt Home Decor Chalk paint. For more inspiration, visit plaidonline.com.